It's Friday, May 21st, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. For the sixth consecutive week, home services dominates the top categories list, taking the number one spot. Legal remains in the second position, while insurance closes the gap between the second and third top categories. Personal insurance trails behind the leading top three categories, and financial services follows closely in fifth place. Now we have our top offers. NetFly claims the number one position for the third week in a row with its trucking accident call campaign, while Aragon Advertising trails behind in the second position. NetFly also landed the third spot with its motor vehicle accident campaign. Aragon Advertising also took the fourth spot with its home security campaign, and eLocal now holds the fifth position. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now we have our top networks. Hyper-target marketing claims the number one spot on the top networks list yet again this week, with LeadSmart following closely behind. Aragon Advertising remains in the third spot, while American Classified Services jumps on the top networks list, claiming the fourth position. Digital Market Media is not far behind in the fifth spot. 3 of the top 5 paper call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the paper call industry. Now it's time for our paper call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Ariel Tolome, Director of Operations for AXAD Capital. Ariel, what is the main thing paper callers should keep in mind when working with small business owners?
One of the biggest things that paper callers need to keep in mind is that we need to manage client expectations. We want to help build a positive relationship and to help them get a positive ROI. And how we can achieve these results is that we make some adjustments on the publisher side, and we also make some adjustments on the buyer's end as well.
Thanks, Ariel. Now it's time for our paper call opportunities. Total Home Protection, a top-rated home warranty company that received the 2021 Best in Service Award by Home Warranty Reviews, is looking for inbound sales calls. If you're interested in working with Total Home Protection, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Xanadu Marketing is looking for certified call buyers for the following verticals: homeowners insurance, home security, cable and internet, home warranty, credit repair, and auto insurance. If you're interested in working with Xanadu Marketing, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Now it's time for our paper call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join our amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required, just a positive attitude, a desire to learn, and a willingness to put clients first at all times. Our salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel the world, and have the freedom to work anywhere they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. Ringlab Media is a company that creates campaign strategies with professional media buyers, and they are seeking an experienced paper call specialist to assist with day-to-day accounts and publisher management duties. You must be experienced in pay-per call and familiar with Ringba. This is a salary-based position with commission opportunities. If you're interested, email Tina, Tina, at ringlabmedia.com for more information. AXAD Capital is an industry-leading marketing company that provides a clear and accurate understanding of marketing ROI. They're hiring an affiliate manager, digital marketing manager, and media buyer. For more information, reach out to contact@axadcapital.com. Now it's time for our Ringba product updates. The Ringba team has released brand new functionality for multi-factor, authentication. This adds a new layer of security to your login. You can find and enable MFA by navigating to the Security tab from the Ringba dashboard. Stay tuned as we roll out more improvements and additional authentication methods in the coming weeks. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please reach out to your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.